Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about toChar function, which is data conversion function with date data type. Before going forward, please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like this video content. So let us start. Here I am using sysdate function, return server date and time. Okay. Current date and time return this user session current date and time. Okay. You already learned these function in previous video. Now let us use this toChar function to format date and time. Here I am using toChar sysdate function, which is return day and time. Here I am formatted to dd.mm.yyy format. First execute this statement. You can see here the format. Okay, dd.mm.yy. If I execute this statement, here we formatted to yyy. After that dash mm dash dd digit format. Here dy means pre-alphabet abbreviation of day name. Okay, so I formatted to first execute this statement. You can see here I formatted to yyy dash mm dash dy, pre-alphabet abbreviation of day name. If I want to full day name, then we can use dy formats. Let's execute this statement. You can see here full name of day name. Okay, now mon it return pre-alphabet month name abbreviation of month name. So if I execute this statement, you can see here yyy year. After that mon means three alphabet abbreviation of month name. After that day. Okay, if I want to full name of month, then you can use 4 times m. So if I execute this statement, you can see here full month name. Now if I want to format time also, then we can use after that dd dash mm dash yy. After that hh means hours, colon my means minute, colon ss means seconds. So if I execute this statement, you can see now time also. You can put pm or am, it is same. If I execute this statement, you can see here am. You can put here am also. Okay, it is same. You can format 24-hour format also by using hh. After that 24 colon mi colon ss and date as same. Okay, you can see here. We can use toChar format here in query. We are selecting order date and formatted to its order date to dd dash mon means 3 alphabet of month name dash yy format and alias name formatted order date. If I execute this statement, you can see here. One other use cases, if I want to filter only 1994 year using toChar function, then we can use this way. Here I am selecting order date and I formatted it to yy format this column name, and if I execute this statement, you can see and understand this. Only we select 1994 because I filter only 1994 using where clause and it formatted to using toChar order date by yy formats. You can use toChar to filter month name also. Here we are selecting order date and order date formatted to using toChar from Snowflake tpch underscore sf1 dot order table, which are here Snowflake sample data tpch underscore sf1 and order tables. Okay, that's all about in this video. We learn toChar with date data type. In next video we will learn about toChar with number data type to format number. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel and share with friends. Thank you for watching.